So with the 1 point perspective, so again we're still trying to do our Tetris block there. With the 1 point perspective, all you need is one vanishing point, and you can put it anywhere. And it's always a good idea to have things perpendicular. So let's just start with the front face of our cube. Ideally this is nice and square. Let's see how we go. That's not bad. And now we connect all those corners, well, at least the visible corners, which are all, with that vanishing point. We do the same here, and we do the same here. Okay. And now, so what we are trying to achieve is, if that's our, so now we make sure that we have a little bit of a hump, the leg of the T, and that we have the rest of our Tetris brick. And that's just a decision that you need to make. Obviously, the further that you're going back towards that vanishing point, the distance appears to become smaller. So let's just make one here, a little bit less again. So we bring up that bit here, that bit here, and that bit here. So now that is, let's just make a thick line for our outline, and that's just all starting with, and it's not about pretty, it's about the concept. Okay, so these are all visible edges. Now we bring that across, so that's all going along with our horizon, if there was one, and make sure that we bring this one, and that's just a decision that you need to make where this is. It's not perfect. This way we cannot find a perfect way of doing it. Let's just make sure that these are all horizontal. There's another edge, and we created a new point which needs to be, the vertex needs to be connected with the vanishing point, and that should be the top face of our Tetris T-shape. And here we are done with our 1 point perspective. Now let's give that a little bit of a shading. Oh, I forgot one edge there. Again, these should be all parallel. These ones, the horizontal ones, should be all parallel. Give that a little bit of a shading. Give that a little bit of a shading, so you can see the difference. And that is our 1 point perspective.